Electrical wiring is the backbone of your home or business, providing the power needed to keep everything running smoothly. But like any system, it can deteriorate over time. Regular electrical inspections by experts are crucial. They ensure your wiring is in top condition, preventing unseen issues from becoming major problems. This proactive approach is essential for maintaining a safe and efficient electrical system. Safety is the primary reason for expert inspections. Faulty wiring can lead to fires and electric shocks. Professionals can identify and fix potential hazards before they escalate, ensuring your property remains safe. Expert electricians can also enhance energy efficiency. They pinpoint areas of energy waste and suggest upgrades, saving you money. Plus, regular inspections ensure compliance with evolving electrical codes, avoiding legal issues. Neglecting inspections can lead to electrical fires, shocks, and power outages. These issues not only disrupt daily life, but can also result in expensive repairs and decreased property value. Regular maintenance is key to avoiding these risks and protecting your investment.